Hiya, I'm William Hugh. Now I'm not a Welsh speaker, but I would like to be, so I'm learning Welsh. But the problem is I'm not very good with the technical stuff, the syntax and the grammar, mutations, all that sort of thing. So what I thought I'd do is just learn to speak Welsh the way children do. They just hear stuff and they copy it. And over time it becomes habit. Before they know it, they're speaking Welsh. Now the way I plan to do this is by using simple everyday phrases that I can just slip into ordinary everyday conversation, and hopefully eventually I can build up these phrases until I come to the point where I've broken the back of the thing and I'll be using more Welsh than English, and hopefully be able to sustain a Welsh conversation. So if you'd like to do something similar, learn Welsh in easy bite-sized chunks, then why not join me in this series, Learn Welsh with Will.
In Welsh, there are two forms of address, formal and informal. The formal mode is used for addressing groups and people you don't know very well, such as colleagues and acquaintances. The informal mode is used to address people you do know well, such as friends, family and children. The greetings I'm going to give you here are informal, so you can get to work practicing on your friends and families right away.
Now where I live here in North Wales, the standard greeting is probably Simai. That's actually short for sit mai, which means literally I think how is. It's probably short for how is everything. I could be wrong, correct me if you know differently. But that's the standard greeting from up here. It would be Simai Will, Simai Alice, Simai. That's very easy to remember, Simai. Apparently in South Wales it's slightly different. They would probably be more likely to say Shwmai. Shwmai John, Shwmai Ted. So there you go, you can greet people by just saying Sitmai, Simai or Shwmai. You can also say how are you, which would be Situiti. Situiti John, Situiti Alice, Situiti. Now when people take their leave in Wales, they normally just say ta-ta. Or quite often they will say Hwyl. Now Hwyl literally means fun, but it's quite often said at the end of a meeting. They'll say Hwyl, or possibly Hwylti, fun to you. And I think that's pretty standard throughout most Wales. So there's 3 simple phrases you can practice before the next episode. The greetings, Simai, hello, Situiti, how are you? And Hwyl, bye bye. So until the next episode, Hwyl.